In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section link in a Wix button. First, open your site in the Wix editor so you can access the page and button you want to update. Make sure you are in the correct project before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one website. Once the editor is fully loaded, go to the page where your button is located. Next, click on the button you want to link. When you select it, Wix will display a small floating menu near the button with several editing options. This menu gives you quick access to the most common settings, including the option to add or change a link. From that floating menu, click the link icon, which looks like a chain link. This opens the link settings panel where you can choose what type of destination the button should send visitors to. This is the key step that allows your button to scroll users to a specific part of your site instead of sending them to a completely different page or website. In the link panel, choose Section or Anchor. This option is used when you want the button to jump directly to a specific section on a page. It's especially useful for one-page layouts, landing pages, or any site where you want to guide visitors smoothly to important content like contact forms, pricing sections, or service details. After selecting Section or Anchor, choose the page where the target section is located from the first drop-down menu. If the section is on the same page, simply select that page. If it's on another page, make sure you choose the correct one so the link works properly. Then, use the second drop-down menu to choose the specific section or anchor you want the button to connect to. Take a moment here to confirm you are selecting the right destination, since this is what visitors will see when they click the button. Once everything looks correct, click Done to save the link settings. After that, click Publish so the change goes live on your website. Keep in mind that if you don't publish, the update may appear in the editor but won't be visible to your site visitors. As a final check, it's always a good idea to test the button after publishing. Click it yourself and make sure it goes to the correct section smoothly and accurately. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.